Hey guys, Connor here again at Earth Motorcars. Today, showcasing 69 Oldsmobile 442 W-30 code on here. Check this car out, guys. True survivor car here. This guy has roughly 43,000 miles and some change on it. Numbers matching, Ram Air 400 in this guy, turbo 400 transmission in here too. Check it out, man. Absolutely gorgeous car. I would call this thing a true survivor. We even got the original owner's manual and documentation in there, everything like that. This car's not a hot rod in any way, anything like that by modern standards, but man, back in the day, this was definitely a hot rod from the factory on there. Firestone wide oval tires on here. Check out this interior too. Nothing crazy. We didn't revamp the whole interior, but it's all been modern materials, but it's still old school on here, man. Beautiful, beautiful car. Coming around to the back, show you guys the trunk on here. Again, think about this thing, 69, but let's say 44,000 miles, call it even. It's got like 43,800. Let's say 44 from 1969. How old is that? Over 50 years old for that low miles. Original spare tire in here. You got the trunk liner. I mean, just talk about a survivor, man. Great, great car. A lot of these things got ratted out, rusted out. People bought these cars for like 200 bucks back in the day, drove them to the wheels fall off. Not this guy, man. This thing is clean through and through. Even the original radio works in here too. We'll show you guys that here in a second, but a true survivor. This thing drives great too. It actually spun the tires over here whenever I pulled it out of the shop, which surprised me. I'm not really an Oldsmobile guy, I gotta be honest, but this thing really did shock me. And I think it'll shock you with how well it drives. Let's go for a spin. Fires right up, nice and quiet too on here, no super loud mufflers. Check this out too, look, original Oldsmobile radio.
Your help here though, my husband and I
still works on here, really cool. Let's go for a spin. Even the shifter is like buttery smooth, you know? I think this guy was rated for somewhere 360 horsepower back in the day in 69, which, I mean, that's up there with Corvette numbers and stuff like that you gotta think about, man. And it moves too. With the 400 transmission, I mean, you could put some power through this guy and it'll be totally fine. I'm trying to think of what this car would be related today in modern terms. Maybe like a Chevrolet SS. Like, you look at it and you're like, it's an Oldsmobile. You know, that thing's a grandma car on here. But again, 360 horsepower for 69 was some serious numbers. You want to see if we can race this Rolls Royce over here? Let's go. Man, it's true what they say about the BOP, Buick Olds Pontiac. Their motors are just all torque, just torque down low that you can feel too. Just kind of throws you in the back of the seat whenever you hit the gas. But this car's nice, man. The dash and everything like that, as far as I know, has never been redone. Like this guy, again, think about it. 1969, guys, that's over 50 years old and it's in excellent condition. Blinkers work, speedometer works. Right now on the odometer, I am reading on here 43,857 miles. And it's turning over right now. So like I said, 43,000 miles and change. Awesome. It moves too. It's surprisingly quick. All right, let's go. Now we're on Midway. Man, the best way I can describe this car, like I'm used to driving hot rods all day long in here. This thing is smooth, silky smooth on here. The transmission shifting, the tires. We're driving on Midway right now. This is a bumpy ass road on here. You guys gotta check it out. And it's butter smooth on here. Acceleration, butter smooth, everything. I mean, I would still call it a hot rod, you know, 360 horsepower back in the day. Definitely ain't no slouch, but I mean, it's a great in-between car, a cruiser and a hot rod. I like it. I like it a lot. All right, guys, that's gonna do it for this Oldsmobile 442 W-30 code true survivor car. Come in, take it for a spin, let me know what you think, and I'll see you guys in the next video.